Hello everyone, welcome back to this English language course. In the last two lectures we studied how and when to make use of the articles a, and the. But there are many nouns which are used in general sense and so we need to omit the article before them. Though the nouns are same, sometimes we use and sometimes we omit the article before them. So let us study when to use and when to omit the article in today's topic, omission of the article. What is today's topic? Omission of the article. So let us start. See here, I have written some rules as well as examples. Please pay attention, watch the whole video and try to understand. I am reading now. The article is omitted before. Number 1. The plural, uncountable or abstract noun used in general. What is the first rule? That before the plural, uncountable or abstract noun, the article is omitted. See these two examples now. Flowers add beauty to a room. And the second sentence is, the flowers you bought are fresh. What is the difference between these two sentences? In the first sentence, the plural noun is flowers. What is the plural noun here? Flowers. This noun is used in general sense. And so, there is omission of the article, means article is not used there. Now see the second sentence. The flowers you bought are fresh. Here also the plural noun is flowers. But before this we have made use of the article the. Then why is it so? The reason is that here we are talking about particular flowers. Which flowers? The flowers which you bought. And that's why we have made use of the article the. This means if the noun is used in general, before that noun there is no article. But if it is used in particular way, it is particular, then before that we need to make use of the article. Fine then, see this sentence now. Next sentence, sugar is bad for teeth. In this sentence, sugar is the uncountable noun. Okay, which are the uncountable nouns? Sugar, oil. Okay, these are the uncountable nouns. Sugar is bad for teeth. In this sentence, sugar is used in general sense. And that's why there is no article before this noun. But second sentence, please pass the sugar. Here we have made use of the article the. Why is it so? Because we are talking about particular sugar. We are talking about the sugar which is there in that cup. And so, the sugar. See the next sentence now. Wisdom is a gift of heaven. What type of noun wisdom is? It is an abstract noun. Okay, wisdom is the gift of heaven. Here, this noun, that is this abstract noun, is used in general. And so, there is no article before it. But look at this sentence. The wisdom of Birbal is great. Wisdom, that is intellect, talent. Okay, the wisdom of Birbal is great. Here we are talking about the wisdom of Birbal. We are talking about specific intellect, specific wisdom, and here the article the is used. So from these sentences, from these examples, we can understand that if a noun is used in general sense, before that we should not make use of any article. But if the same noun is used specifically or it is particular, then that time we should make use of the article the. Okay, so Here flowers, plural noun, then sugar, uncountable noun, and this term abstract noun. So is this first rule clear to you? Before the plural, uncountable or abstract noun used in general, we should not make use of the article, any article. We should not make use of any article. Article is omitted before these nouns. Fine then. Okay, see here now. The second is material nouns used in general. Means the article is omitted before the material nouns used in general. Which are the material nouns? Materials or materials. Gold, silver, then iron. Okay, all these are the material nouns. See, material nouns used in general, if they are used in general, we should not make use of any article before them. See the sentences. Number 1, gold is a precious metal. In this sentence, gold is used in general, and so there is no article before it. Now see the second sentence. The gold in your ring is shining. We are talking here about specific gold, particular gold. Which gold? The gold which is there in your ring. That is shining. We are talking about that gold, and that's why the article the is used here before this material noun. Okay, is this clear? See the third rule now. The article is omitted before proper nouns. Names of people, cities, countries, continents, etc. if they are used in general. Means before proper nouns, we should not make use of any article. But what is a proper noun? A particular name given to a person, place, thing, etc. is called a proper noun. Before proper noun, we should not make use of any article. Fine then. Here I have written some examples. Let us study them. Examples of people are Riya, Raju, and you can add many examples here. We should not say a Riya, a Raju, or the Riya, the Raju. Just say Riya, Raju. No article before the names, before these nouns. Examples of countries are India, Germany. You can add one more example here, Japan. Just say India, Germany, Japan. Not the India, the Germany, the Japan. Same is the case with the names of continents. There should be no article before these names. I have written here one name, Asia. No article before the name of this continent. Let us add one more example here, Europe. Just say Europe, not the Europe, the Asia, like this. Fine? No article before the names of continents. Before the names of cities also, we should not make use of any article. Just say Aurangabad, Mumbai, Nagpur. Not the Aurangabad, the Mumbai, the Nagpur. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you. What have you understood from this? That before proper nouns, we should not make use of any article. Okay. The fourth rule is the article is omitted before individual mountains. Means whenever we talk about individual mountain, we should not make use of any article. For example, Mount Everest. Don't say the Mount Everest. We should just say Mount Everest. Okay, because here we are talking about individual mountain, only one mountain. But when we talk about the mountain ranges, that time we can make use of the article the. For example, the Himalayas. Okay, in this way, you can understand here that while talking about individual mountains, the article is omitted. There is no article. Okay. See the next rule. The article is omitted before names of meals used in general sense. What means the names of meals? Breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner, these are the names of meals. Before these names also, we should not make use of any article. See the examples here. What time do you have breakfast? In this sentence, breakfast is a noun, and before this noun, we have not made use of any article. Why? Because this noun is used in general sense, and if a noun is used in general sense, there is no article before it. Fine? See the next sentence. Lunch is ready. Not the lunch is ready. Here we are talking about lunch in general, and so no article before this. Fine? In this sentence, breakfast is the noun and here lunch is the noun. Okay? Now see the next sentence. They had a late lunch. In this sentence, we have made use of the article a. See here, we have made use of the article a. Why is it so? Because late is an adjective. Okay? And this adjective has come before the noun lunch. Okay? If there is an adjective before the given noun, that time we can make use of the article a before that adjective. Okay? What is an adjective here? Late. Late lunch. Lunch is late. Late is an adjective, and so before adjective, we should make use of the article a. Fine then. So, they had a late lunch. We have made use of the article here a. This is the reason. I would like to tell you one more thing here, that before the names of diseases also, we should not make use of any article. For example, see here, fever, dysentery. Just say fever, dysentery, not the fever or a fever. Fine? But when you talk about measles, use the article the measles. When you are talking about any disease in general, don't make use of any article. For example, as I said, fever, dysentery. These are the diseases in general we talk about. And so, no article before them. But when we talk about measles, we make use of the article the. Is this clear now? Then, before the languages and branches of knowledge, there is omission of the article. See here examples. She likes English. Not the English. Just say she likes English. Whenever you talk about languages, she likes Marathi. Okay, so don't make use of the article there before language. Then the second sentence is, they speak Marathi at home. No article before the noun. Which is the noun here? Marathi. This is a language, and so don't make use of any article before it. The next one is, the seventh rule is, the article is omitted before the name of school, college, office, institute, market, etc. when the places are visited or used for primary purposes. Okay, many times we get confused whether to use the or a before these nouns, or not to use any article before these nouns. So what is the rule? What is the rule here? The article is omitted before the name of school, college, office, institute, market, etc. when the places are visited or used for primary purposes. If these places are used for primary purposes, we should not make use of any article before them. Fine then, see here. The examples are given. We go to school to learn. Okay. Then second sentence is we went to the school to meet the principal. Okay. Here the reason is given. This is the primary purpose and so there is omission of the article. Here in the second sentence we are told about the reason to go to the school. Specific reason is given and so the school is used. In the first sentence, the school is used, this noun is used in general sense. This is the primary purpose. We go to school to learn something. Okay, but here we went to the school to meet the principal shows some specific reason. And that's why before this noun, the is used. See the second sentence. We go to the hospital, we go to hospital for treatment. This is the primary purpose. We go to hospital for treatment. Here, the noun is used in general. But see this second sentence. She went to the hospital to meet her uncle. The purpose is given here. The specific purpose is given here. Okay, so you can understand from this that if the noun is used in general, if the place is visited or used for primary purpose, then there is no article used before the noun. But if there is any specific reason given, if some particular reason is given for that, then that time before the same noun you can make use of the article the. So is this clear to you? Let us see the next rule, rule number 8. The article is omitted before names of relations. When you are talking about the names of relations, this our relation, my relation to someone, our relation to someone, then we should avoid the use of article. There is the means the article is omitted there. See here. Just say father, mother, aunt, uncle. Means our father, our mother, our aunt, our uncle, like this. Means what is the rule here? The article is omitted before names of relations. Here you are talking about your relation. I am talking here about my relation, our relation, and so no article before these nouns. Rule number 9 is the article is omitted before games. If you are talking about games in general, don't make use of any article before that noun. Okay, for example, I play football, not the football. Just say, I play cricket, I play football. Okay. Rule number 10 is the article is omitted before phrases containing preposition. If a phrase contains preposition, that time also we should omit the article before noun. See here. At night. At is what? At is a preposition and night is a noun. And before night, before noun, we should not make use of any article. Article is not used. By is preposition, name is what? Noun. Okay, so on earth, at dinner means phrases containing preposition. This is a phrase. At night, by name, on earth, at dinner, etc. This means if a phrase contains preposition, that time also before noun we should not make use of any article, name, earth, dinner. These are the nouns. Night, name, earth, dinner, these are the nouns. But before that, what is there? Preposition is there. And that's why we should not make use of any article before the nouns. These nouns are with what? Preposition. Okay, see this now. The next one is the article is omitted before phrases with transitive verbs followed by its object. If the phrase with transitive verb follows by its object, in such case also we should omit the article. We should not make use of any article. See here, to catch fire. This is a phrase. To is a, see, catch is the verb. Fire is what? An object. Take is a verb. Breathe is an object. To is, to make is a verb and coffee is an object. Means phrases with transitive verbs followed by its object. Okay, after verb, what is their object? And so in such cases also, before the nouns, we should not make use of any article. In these phrases, let me tell you that fire, here fire is a noun, here breathe is a noun, and here coffee is a noun. But before these nouns, we should not make use of any article. So, I hope that this is clear to you. In the same way, there should be no article before the names of days, months and seasons. For example, June is the hottest month. We should not say the June is the hottest month. In the same way, before the names of the days, we should not make use of any article. We should just say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like this, and not the Sunday, the Monday, the Tuesday. I hope that you have understood this. So, in today's class, omission of the article, we have studied that the article is omitted before the plural, uncountable or abstract noun used in general. Number 2, before material nouns used in general. Then number 3, before proper nouns. Number 4, before individual names of the mountains. Number 5, before names of meals used in general sense. Then number 6, before languages and branches of knowledge. Then number 7, before name of school, college, office, institute, market, etc. Then number 8, before names of relations. Number 9, before the names of games. Number 10, before the phrases containing preposition. Number 11, phrases with transitive verbs followed by its object. And before the names of days, months and seasons. So these are the 11 rules which we have studied today. So before these nouns, we should not make use of any article. There should be omission of the article. I hope that you have understood that if the nouns are used in general sense, we should omit the article. Okay, so I hope that everything that I have explained here is clear to you. For better understanding, please go to the description box and see the example.